Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you all? Hope you all are doing well. I, your science teacher, present you the following lecture. So let's start. This is the title page of your book and the lesson number 1 of unit number 8, Force, Work and Energy. And by the end of this lecture, we'll cover the following learning objectives. We'll be able to know about force, motion and work, and how do machines make our work easy. Okay? Yes, this is an activity time. Name the tool and machine used in above image. Okay, there are two girls or women who are doing some task. Okay, they are washing clothes. So the name the tool and machine used in above image. You have only 5 seconds. Yes, this girl is using washing machine. Okay, and the washing machine is a machine, and this girl is using a tool that is brush. Okay, come to the point. We'll discuss about the force and motion. Okay, first of all, in class 2 I told you about the force. Okay, what is force? Force is a push or pull. For example, if you push a toy car, it will move, right? And if you pull it back, it will move again. That is force and action. Okay, so in the simple words, what is force? Force is a pull or push. Okay, the next point is force and motion. What is motion? Motion is basically movement. And who studied motion first? Who studied about the force mass? Yes, he is Isaac Newton, the famous scientist. He studied about the force and movement very closely. Okay. Isaac Newton described about the force and motion like this. He said forces make things move. Okay, means Newton's first law of motion states that an object won't move by itself, and that once in motion, okay, it won't stop unless some force acts upon it. Clear? Means forces make things move. And number 2 point, he told us forces make things speed up or slow down. Means the Newton's second law states that when you push an object with more force, it will move faster and farther away. Okay? And then number 3, the stronger the force, the faster the speed. Means the third law of motion states of that for every action or motion, there is an equal and opposite reaction. Clear? Means the stronger the force, the faster the speed. Got my point? Great. Now force and work, having a strong relation. Okay? When you apply force, then you can be able to do or done your work. Work is when a force is applied to an object and moves that object. For example, if you sit, look at this image. If you sit at a computer and look at the screen, you are not doing work, okay? Just sit and look at the screen. Are you doing your work? Not at all. You are just sitting, okay? You are not doing work. But if you start typing on the keyboard to write sentences that appear on the screen, then you are doing work. Okay? This is because the force of your fingertips is moving the keys, and the keys produce words. For example, look at this image. The boy is writing on the copy with the help of pencil. Okay? When he pushed the pencil, okay, when he applied the force, push force on the copy, then he will be able to write anything. Okay, look at this picture. This boy applied push force on the cart, then he will be able to move this cart. Okay, so in the simple words, work is when a force is applied to an object and moves that object. Clear? Okay, now the next point is machines and tools. Okay, some tools and machines make it easier to lift heavy loads. Okay, and some tools and machines make it easier to cut through objects, and some tools and machines make it easier to do several tasks at once. Okay, means in the simple words, some work is so hard that humans need tools and machines to help them do that work. Machines and tools help our daily tasks very much easier for us. For example, you can see the scissor. Okay, the scissor is very useful to cut the cloths, to cut the paper. Okay, and if I want to cut vegetables and fruits, and if I have a cake and I want to cut the cake into small pieces, then I use knife. Okay, and the knife is a tool. Means these tools make our daily task very easy. And look at this book. Look at this picture. This is a image of a bulldozer. Okay, and it is used to load heavy. It is used to pick heavy loads. Okay, means we are not that much power to lift high loads. Okay, lift high blocks. So we use these types of machines to do these hard tasks. Okay, now the visual explanation. These are 2 links about the relevant topic. Okay, must watch this because the visual explanations always make your learning skills very easy. There are 3 question answer. What is mean by force? Force is a push or pull. It's very easy. What is mean by work? I told you about that. Work is when a force is applied to an object and moves that object. Okay, and question number 3 is what do tools and machines do? Tools and machines help us to do work like lifting heavy loads, cutting through objects just like knife. Okay, and making it easier to do many tasks at once. Clear? This is the home task. Write questions answers on notebook. I have shared 3 question answer of relevant topic. Okay, but this chapter total has 6 question answer. Rest question answer you will get in the next lecture. Okay, in the next PPT, and the learn question answers as well. Task for the next class. And please keep your copies very much neat. Wrap up. Now I'm going to explain the lecture again. Okay, what is force? Force is a push and pull, and force make things move, speed up or slow down. Okay, and work is when a force is applied to an object and moves that object, and tools and machines help us to do several tasks at once. Okay, my dear students, take supreme care of yourself. Thank you so much. Signing off for now. Until the next lecture. Allah Hafiz.